It's closing in on 24,900, about 15 points to go there. And there goes the Dow pushing higher. New session highs. Gold finding some buying as well. We're really going to take this thing. D, back in crude. Have you taken a crude trade yet? Have you taken it? Just has your attention.
It just has my attention.
Aaron, I love it.
So we'll
I love
see.
it. Let's
I'm
go.
still not 100% sure whether this is here to stay, but we had, what, about 10 days of the market actually having a range that's tradable. So we'll see. We'll see. If it continues, that'll be that somebody has remembered that crude oil used to be a pretty good speculative product. And for some reason, they had it on the back burner for a really long time.
It was.
Is it back? I don't know. We'll find out.
Oh, yeah, the volatility.
Get stuck in a 30-tick range, it's going to be the same old, same old. So, yeah.
Yes, certainly very sensitive to the headlines from the Middle East.
Yeah.
What do we have?
And just when people, I have a good historical, I don't want to, there's no comparisons between any of the participants in this, but one of the most interesting financial things I've ever seen is that, Andre, did you know the German stock market continued to increase from the beginning of World War II until 1942. 3 years into the war, it was at new all-time highs, and they closed it down right then for a couple of years before it crashed.
I mean, yeah.
When there's war, countries that are make money. So, makes sense, I suppose.
Yes, we're for certain sectors, certain companies, it can be good for business.
To say, just be very careful about biases, especially negative ones for equities and something like this. The market will tend to surprise you.
It's good advice.
Yeah, I mean, all we would need is just some bit of positive news, and it's flippy flip time.
It's very thin on the ladders.
Yeah.
Yes, we're seeing there's about a 15-point pullback in the ES. And Q looking at about 80, 85 point pullback as well. Little reactive bounce in crude, now trading $71.53. Very, very thin on the ladders. NQ, ES, gold. They're saying be very, very careful and all about managing risk. In terms of the economic calendar for today, we have a number in about 5 minutes. U.S. S&P manufacturing PMI. We have another number at the top of the hour. President Trump will be at a medal ceremony in about an hour and a half. We will be bringing that to you as well. President Trump, 12:30 p.m. We'll keep you up to date in real time here on Top Step TV with those headlines that do break. You heard D and Jack talking about those levels. Well, let's get those levels. Of course, they're pinned to the top of the chat. Those are updated and refreshed before every New York Open. Let's get right to it. Click on that indicators tab at the top of Top Step X. Type in Top Step daily levels. You have them right there on your charts. Again, update and refresh before every New York Open. Number in about 3.5 minutes or so.
All right.
50 on the tilt now. $500 line upside in the ES, 68.44, offered 500 times. And seeing some size on the offers. Also using that level 2 data on Top Step X. Let's us see that's the upside. I think on the NQ. No. So 1,000 not get filled. Markets are certainly very, very volatile. VIX is 23 or so, Jack? Took a peek at there.
Yeah, I'm showing 22.4 right now. On the open, as I mentioned, it opened at 25, which is quite volatile. It's still not above that 30 level where things get real.
Yeah, 30 is bonkers.
30 gets wild. Closing on that 500 lot, couple points to go in the ES.